Okay, we just took a brief break, said a family prayer. We opened the door up and the winds have stopped. Any surprise? Not at all. For the Lord hears the prayers of the faithful and righteous saints, and He fulfills them in His own way and in His own time. Now, we're not free from all of this, but wow, this is I wish there was some way I could just get a clear shot straight up at the sky, because there's so much flashes. But I know the camera's going to pick it up anyway. If my hand is in the way, you'll have to forgive me. Shielding it from incoming rain. Here comes the wind again. Woo! And the rain up my shorts. Woohoo! Wow. This is wow. I don't know what to say. I've said this many times already since we've been here. But now this is the worst storm I've seen. With all the lightning strikes, though, I just don't understand why there's not, like, round-the-clock thunder. Because these are some pretty huge flashes. Well, that's what I'm saying. With all of the flashes, you'd think that there would be a lot more thunder. I'm doing this to kind of make sure we can see all of this. Wow. I get flooded. Wow. Ow. I swear that freaking... Whoa. Wow. That is amazing. This is just utterly amazing. I wish I could actually see some lightning, but this will suffice. It's a bunch of flashes. Wow. Wow. Thunder is the noise that always follows lightning.
Thunder is the fear. That's why lightning, and then comes after lightning, thunder. We gotta go in. I might as well go one card.
Oh, here we go. Good one, Thunder Lips. Well, you call me Thunder because thunder always comes after lightning. Ciao. My goodness. Whoa.
Can't tell which way it's blowing.
Randall, why did you piss the Lord off? Now his wrath is kindled against you, sir.
If he did, set it in over Walmart, it's over here.
That don't mean, just because Walmart's over there doesn't mean a lightning bolt can't come from here to there. Kaboom. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. No Job Corps. No Marine Corps. Wow, this is just amazing, man. Feel like a kid in a stinking candy store right now. What I'm curious to know is this storm continually redeveloping now? Or is it moving along, passing us? Click on the picture of the Doppler radar. And then press the play button. This is ferocious. Oh yeah, Randall, good luck finding a parking spot that has no water. And you can guarantee he's going to want to call Mom when he gets home there. Oh, I better call my wife, make sure she's okay. And if you ever get the opportunity to watch this video, I say that in good fun. Whoa! Okay, let's go examine the Doppler.
Your daughter will quit messing with it.
Alright, Chica, watch out. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's hitting Walmart. Walmart's getting pounded. So we are right here.
I don't think so. There is trying to go out here.
We are right there in the middle of a red. Bing.
As you look in the camera, it's like fully red.
That's why I zoomed out so people can see. Yes, some people will be like, whoa. First we were like, whoa. And then we were like, whoa. And you were like, whoa. Taking on the jelly. Uh-oh. At least the winds have. But the winds are always what goes in front of the storm. That doesn't mean the storm's over. Oh no. Oh no. As a matter of fact, it looks like it's rebuilding.
Yeah, to me too. Go up
right up here. See, this is building up, and it's going to come straight down this way.
And we're gonna get
right over it. We're going to get smacked again.
I just can't believe that one day when I fell asleep, even though the weather was like crazy. It's clearing up.
They've had to update this weather alert now. Oh, they just said the alert has expired, and they haven't said anything else now. It does not look like this weather is going to be going away. Considering it's sitting right over top of this red.
Amarillo's getting cleared up. It's in yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clearing up.
Oh, that's right where it is right now. That's where we are. Right in that little red dot. So, and more storms are coming. They just kind of reform. Coming from the northwest,
yeah.
And they're coming down northeast or southeast. So at some point or another, we're gonna get smacked with some more rain.
But that's the way, like, if you look at it, it just goes a lot to a little bit again. The streets are like filled with water.
I know.
Well, that means those times, other times.
Wow, this is beautiful.
That was good. I'm guessing there should be a rainbow out there.
You can't have a rainbow unless the sun's out. Rainbows. Whoa. Whoa, that was cool. Word. Okay, I gotta pause this before we hit the 10-minute mark. And YouTube won't allow me to post more than 10 minutes on, so see ya!